In this video, we're going to be looking at geometric probabilities. Geometric probabilities are just a different type of probability that instead of being based on numbers of outcomes, are based on things like length, area, and volume. So let's look at an example. A target is made up of a small circle with radius 3 inches inside of a larger circle with radius 6 inches. If you hit a random spot on the target, what is the probability that you will hit inside of the small circle, or the blue part on the picture here? So these probabilities are still calculated the same way. We still want to do favorable over total. Just in this case, with a two-dimensional shape, we're going to be dealing with area. So the probability that we get hit inside of the small circle is just going to be calculated as the area of the small circle over the total area of the target. Which in this case is just the bigger circle. So if you remember from geometry, your area formula for a circle is just pi r squared. So for our small circle, that will be pi times 3 squared. And for our total area, which is the big circle, that will be pi times 6 squared. Well, if you simplify this a little bit, these pi's cancel out. And then in the numerator, we're left with 3 squared is 9, and denominator, we have 6 squared is 36. So 9 over 36, which simplifies to 1/4. So our probability of hitting the small circle with a random hit is 1/4. Another geometry problem here. A point is chosen at random on the figure below. Find the probability that the point is inside the blue shaded region. So again, our calculation is going to come down to an area comparison. So the probability that we hit the blue shaded region is the question. Well, the blue shaded region is made up of a triangle with a base of 4 feet and a height of 3 feet. So if we remember our area formula, that's 1/2 times base times height for a triangle. And if we remember our area formula for the total area, which is just a rectangle, that's just length times width, which in this case is 8 times 3. So you can finish doing this math out. On the top, we will get 1/2 times 4 times 3 is just 6. And in the bottom, we have 8 times 3 is 24. So the probability of hitting the blue shaded region is just 6 over 24 is actually 1/4 again.